Good morning, students of class 9. Let's continue our classes. Welcome back to the e-classes now. I hope you are staying safe and fine at home and doing your regular studies. Let us continue our lesson. The Sound of Music, we are doing part 2. It's all about Bismillah Khan and his hard work. How he became so famous and popular all over India as well as around the world. Now we'll talk about, in our previous class we have talked about he was offered to compose a music for the Bollywood films, and so far he worked in 2 films, that is Gunj Uthi Sanai and Dil Ka Khilauna Hai Toot Gaya. So, and these 2 films became a national chart buster. So now we talk about Bismillah Khan refused the offer from the film world. He was again offered the chance to compose a music in various films, but he refused. He said, I am not made for that. This is an artificial world, so I am not for that. So Bismillah Khan refused the offer from the film world, number 1, that we have talked about. Number 2 also we have talked about, he said that he cannot come in terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world. So we have talked about he had not practiced all these years just to enter in the film world. That was his hobby, and he wanted to become famous and he wanted to learn and compose good music. For that reason he was made, not for the film world. So that's why he refused. Awards and recognition came thick and fast. After that, he started performing national in the nation, in the country, as well as around the world. And the rewards came thick and fast. Wherever he performed, rewards came automatically. He was so perfect. He was the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in USA. He was the first Indian to, he was invited in America to play at prestigious Lincoln Hall, and there also he received the award, as well as not only in America. He took part in Cannes Art Festival in Osaka. There also he took part, as well as trade fair as in Montreal, that is in Canada. So he took part in Cannes Art Festival there also, and in Osaka trade fair there also, and in Montreal, this is in Canada, that is in Canada. So he went all around the world and performed, and people liked his performance very much. He was well known internationally. All over the world he was very popular. He was well known, famous, that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him. The Shah of Tehran, Iran, he was so much impressed that Tehran was named auditorium. The name of the auditorium is Tehran was named after him. Tahar Mosque Ustad Bismillah Khan. So the name of the auditorium was kept after him because he was so famous. The Shah was so much impressed. That's why a new auditorium, the name was given after him. National awards, not only internationally, in the national level also, he received many awards, all the awards practically. Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan were conferred means given to him. It was given on him because he performed so well. People watched with much attention and listened to his music. He played Sanai very well. It was all his due to his hard work. So now in 2001 he was awarded highest, see, India's highest civilian award, that is Bharat Ratna. When he was at his deathbed, he received the award while he was lying on the chest, and he said, teach your children music because it is the tradition of our country. So that is the lessons, today's lesson. We'll continue in our next lesson. Some more about him, what he thought about India and what he thought about the world. When he got the opportunity to open a school in America, what did he say? All these things we'll talk about in our next class. This much for today. You can copy this out and learn and stay safe at home. And thank you for watching the video. So I hope you are doing your regular studies at home. Do not waste your time. That's all I can say right now. So let's expect and hope that the school will open very soon. It will be much better if we study together and we can have interaction. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video.